January.
We have said Kling is king for a long time because Kling has been so consistently great. And when I think about Kling, I think about a group of people that are very passionate about the quality of the products they're making, but they're also very passionate about customer service and about making me the tools that we need. So Kling iterates their tools much faster than anyone else in the industry. So the new versions of the tools and optimization of the tools will come out much quicker. So we have used Kling as a core foundation model since season 1 of House of David, and it has been one of our benchmark tools. And I would say if there was a market share of the amount of generations, you know, in season 1 and season 2 of House of David, Kling has been the leader in that, of the number of shots that we've generated. The other thing that I'm very, very passionate about that Kling was first to enable is, there's a few things that Kling has done first for us. First scene in a show was driven by Kling 1.6. It's episode 6 of House of David. To our knowledge, it's the first scene in a show in the industry, ever. Kling was the foundation model that did that. First native 4K generation in a show that I know of, that's in the Moses project. Kling native 4K, which is something that we had been asking for, came out, and the generations are photorealistic and beautiful. The other thing that I'm very passionate about, though, is I'm very passionate about the actor's performance and using a real actor's performance, using a human performance. So Kling was also first in the feature set of motion control. Normally in Hollywood, motion control is very complicated. It involves wearing a motion capture suit. You have to have dots on your face, a camera on your face. All of that data has to be tracked to cameras, infrared cameras in the ceiling. Lots of technical delays, very expensive. This is how Avatar is made. And you have to process all that data. What Kling Motion Control enabled us to do was just make a film the way we would normally make a film. Film an actor's performance, but then use that as the basis of the generation. So Kling Motion Control was the first tool that enabled us to use a real actor's performance in the generation, which is something I'm very, very passionate about.